I'm in the kill position.
Moko! Meow. It's okay, Moko!
Just gonna make you sneeze.
Oh, there you go. No, where's the hair?
I don't know. You can pull one from my, I can pull one out of my hair.
Here, pet the cat so we don't run away.
Yeah, Haley, he'll claw you.
Here's one here. Yeah, here's one. Here's a hair. Why don't you shake it?
God.
It's too big.
You're mean.
Make it really tiny.
Look how I have to hold them.
There you go. Just stick one of them pieces up in your nose.
Look at 7. What are 14 animals?
Just make them sniff it.
Ouch!
I bet you remember this from high school. I didn't plan.
Here, Moko.
Get a straw.
It's perfectly normal. It's Pepper. Hey.
Snip the Pepper.
My God, Dad. That is just bad.
Snip the Pepper. I will.
Just take it, shove it up your nose.
That's mean. Not That's mean.
Hey, you're supposed to sneeze, Moko. It's okay.
Oh, baby. Just let so mean.
Alright, we need hair.
I gave you a piece, right? Dude,
I just shut up.
here.
Shove it up his nose. He'll sneeze immediately.
You lift his hair out?
Yeah. Oh. No. Stop doing that to me. Ow. Ow.
He can't attack you.
He don't like you. He don't like you, Dad.
Moko, this is for your own good. Believe it or not.
Believe it or not.
Ow!
You gotta kill somebody.
At least he knows how to meow.
No, just tip his head upside down, drop some up in his nose. That always works every time.
Dad!
Pet him, get him to look up.
You're mean! You're so mean. He's got pepper up his nose.
I don't think he likes
He's
it.
not sneezing. Come on, just sneeze. Moko, come on, sneeze. Achoo!
Dad, I know what there's gloves and toothpaste on them. Look at your sleeve.
Let's paint.
Oh.
That's right.
Well then.
You look. Whoa. Oh, okay, here we go. Ow! He's getting pissed. He just realized he has pepper in his nose.
Really, ain't that funny?
Moko. Moko.
Haley, he's videotaping this and you have white stuff on
Why are you videotaping this?
Yeah, you
Good, I'm gonna put it on YouTube.
You ain't putting me on YouTube. Not without my. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa.
You ain't even got your face in this, so who cares?
Ow! You mean.
You done?
Yeah, he's not sneezing.